Hi mga moms! Good evening! So for today's video naman sa ating ganap ngayong gabi, yun nga, gaya na nabanggit ko kanina or dun sa mga nakarang video ko, si Gwen ay magja-judge and I will be the gown provider ng ating mga candidates. Well, technically, hindi yun yung mismong ano nila. Parang it's another set of gown for them. I mean, another portion yata yun. So, pakaabangan nyo po yan while I am now getting ready dahil makeup na rin tayo, mag-aayos na tayo. So, alam ko excited na rin kayo na makita ulit kung ano yung another look, another aura, ano bang bagong atake, kung yung itsura ngayon. Well, honestly, nag-iisip pa rin ako kung anong gusto kong gawin sa makeup ko, sa itsura ko ngayon. Kung ano yung gagawin kong itsura, kung ano yung gagawin kong makeup. Especially now na hindi ako mag-week kasi sobrang init po talaga. So, hopefully magustuhan ninyo. Well, kung hindi naman, it's okay. Kasi kaya lang ulit ako mag-makeup and abangan ninyo, okay? So, eto na, binigyan ko na lang kayo ng isang maayos, o, basta transition na lang. Eto na. Banda kayo!
Live from the main stage, welcome to the most anticipated Coronation Nights of the year. This is the search for Miss Teen Amber Calacoban 2026. Tonight, we witness the transformation of young dreamers into a royal royalties. Behold, as we welcome the dazzling stars of the evening, ladies and gentlemen, to formally start the celebration, requesting everybody to please stand for the invocation and please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. also like to thank Momshie, the designer and owner of these very beautiful collection right here. Andyan ho si Momshie, kasamahan ho siya ni Brand Damage. Pwede ho ba kayong kumaway-kaway sa ating mga audience? Ayan ho si Momshie. Good evening, Momshie, and thank you so much for sponsoring our event this evening. We all appreciate it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, we will be given the special awards for this evening. The Miss Teen Albert Talamugo 2026 sixth runner-up goes to with a score of 88%. You are the sixth runner-up candidate number 6, Shire Bahian. Congratulations. Once again, congratulations, candidate number 6. Ladies will be this year's winner. Congratulations in advance. And of course, in any way that the reigning Miss Teen Albert Talamugo 2026 cannot fulfill the duties and responsibilities, the first runner-up will take over. Let's announce first the first runner-up. The first runner-up will receive a sash, cash, bouquet of flowers from Chill and Shots, beauty products, and a cash from New Blush, and a trophy and a crown. And this will be presented by Judge number 6, together with Honorable John Lester, Kyle K. Moral. 2026 will receive the following: sash, cash, bouquet of flowers from Chill and Shots, beauty products, and a cash from New Blush, a trophy, a crown, and a gift certificate from Sarah, Leia, and Stanchas. She will also be the ambassadress of K-Shine Cosmetics, also of New Blush or LB New Blush. She will also be the ambassadress of Mary's Tips and Wings Beauty Lounge. Ladies and gentlemen, let's award or let's announce first the first runner-up. With a score of 93.02%. Listen up, everybody. Listen up. Ang first runner-up nakakuha og 93.02. The winner garnered a score of 93.93%. Ganyan po ka-close ang competition tonight. The first runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, is you! Candidate number... Our first runner-up is candidate number 5! Miss Princess Novia or Novia of Montesigon is the first runner-up. And of course, we also have here this evening our Miss Teen Albert Gracious Dixie Villando! And it is to be presented by the Chairman of the Board of Judges, together with Honorable Portia Sakabin Manggubat, together with ISKA Chairman James T. Pugay. Congratulations once again. Here you go once again, our Miss Teen Albert Talamugo 2023, Miss Princess Jill Labrada, turning over her crown to the newest queen in the community, Miss Grace with our winner. And of course, to everybody watching us live right now, daghan kayo salamat. Acknowledging the presence of Mommy Rain from Around Pin Vlogs. Hi, Mommy Rain. Thank you so much for coming. Madam Jeff. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Miss Teen Albert Barangay 2026, Miss Gracious Dixie Villondo.
Shower here na, kauwi na kami. Whew. Ikapoy magbaklay. Ayun na. So that's all for now mga moms. Kahit oily na tayo. Thank you so much and congratulations again sa lahat ng mga winners. Pagod na yung kumari ko.